Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Missed y'all. So today is another fashion video, and I know that I told you guys that y'all are going to join me on my journey of recreating my room into a glam room, into a fashion room, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I just want to let y'all know that I have added some things, as you can see, to my room that I'm very excited to show you guys. I did not vlog it or film it, and it took a couple of days because this desk has a lot of pieces to it as far as like the screws or whatever. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have done so far, and also give you guys an idea of how you can make your vanity, or how you could create a vanity to look cute and glamorous on a low budget price. So let's get started. So I got a desk, and it was a mic desk from IKEA, and I got it for $72. I'm not sure if they're still on sale right now, but if you want one, go ahead and get one. I'll leave the link in the description box. And so this is the desk that I got for $72, and then I got this mirror. But I got this mirror a long time ago. I got it last year from Hobby Lobby, and actually it was on clearance. And the reason that it was on clearance because it was broken at the bottom, and not per se broken like broke, but it was a scratch along the mirror right here where it was cracked a little bit. And so what I did was, this is something that you can do, I put these little flowers on it to cover it up and just make it look cute, and also to make it give me that vanity look. I got some lights from Amazon. I'll also leave the link in the description box, and I put it around the mirror. So when you turn it on, it looks like this right here. Very cute. I love it. It's not a traditional vanity mirror because it wasn't made to be vanity, but I created it as vanity. Baby, we gotta shop on a budget, okay? Alright, so a couple of things that I did was, I have my beautiful candle that I got from Bath and Body Works. I have this cute, I'm not sure what it is, but I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I just put my makeup brushes in it. It's really cute. And then, but I also got this from the dollar store, and I put all my eyeliners in it. And then this is just a makeup organizer. I believe I got it from Ross. And then I got this from At Home, and it's just an organizer, and I just have my pens, other makeup, and my powder and my lashes in the middle. So right here you see that I have a organizer which has my lashes in the middle, my hairpins, and some makeup. And then I have my my other makeup organizers. I got this from the dollar store. Also, I got this from the dollar store, which organizes my eyeliners, my liquid liners. This is my makeup brushes. These are my other makeup brushes that I got from Ross. And then this is also my other makeup organizers, which has my lipsticks, my foundation. And then right here, this is something I got from Walmart. It has all my other makeup, which is like my mascara and my concealer and all that good stuff. And then I really don't want to open up my drawer, but my drawer's not that organized. When you open my drawer, it just has some of my eyeshadow, my hair products, and all that good stuff. And so then when you open up this one, it just has my glasses, my headbands, my ring light. And this is also for your phone, so if you want to, you know, go somewhere and it's dark, you got a ring light for your phone. And then my setting powder, necklaces, other makeup, headphones, and those are just my nail products. And so that is what is on my desk. And also I have those books over there, and also I DIY'd those, and ignore the Gucci one, horrible DIY. Actually, these DIYs are not that good, but those are my books. This is the second one. It's actually a fashion book, and this is also something that I DIY'd. I actually made a video showing you guys, and this is for your perfume. I don't plan on keeping this like this because I don't really like how it looks. It's kind of raggedy, so we're gonna ignore that. And then I want to show you guys these wall arts that I made for a really cheap price, and I also have a video on that, and I will leave it in the description box, the link to how to make these. So they're different Chanel wall arts. You see that? And this is a cute accessory to your vanity if you want to get that complete vanity look. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have done. Well, this completes my video. I'm so glad that you guys joined me on this journey. The next steps that I want to do is I want to get a full, actually it's a floor mirror. If you guys know what that is, it's the huge mirrors that they have. I want to get one of those, and I'm going to add a fur rug and also a throw to my chair that I got for $10 at IKEA. IKEA is the GOAT right now because you want to shop on a budget, you got IKEA. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any DIY or decor ideas, leave me a comment in the comment box. If you like what I have done to my vanity, also just let me know, and thank you guys for watching.